Question 28. The table provides information about a $2 coin and a $5 note. Calculate the mass of a $2 coin in grams correct to one decimal place. So the $2 coin here, it says to make $1,000 they need 500 coins, and this costs 3.3 kilos. So they're asking calculate the mass in grams correct to one decimal place. The first thing I want to do is convert 3.3 kilos to grams. So 3.3 kilos equals 3,300 grams. And now if they want the mass of one $2 coin, if 500 of them equals 3.3 kilos, that means 3,300 grams divided by 500 is going to give us the mass of one coin, and that's 6.6 grams. And in part B, it says, suppose the $2 coin is to be replaced with a note that has the same mass as a $5 note. What is the mass of $1,000 in $2 notes in grams? Give your answer correct to the nearest gram. So the first thing that I want to look at is that for the $5 note, there's only 200 of them. So we need to find the weight of one note in order to apply that to the $2 note. So for 200 $5 notes, oops, not motes, notes, that equals 0.157 kilograms. And if we convert that to grams, that's 157 grams. Okay, so therefore for one $5 note, that is 157 divided by 200, right? Because it takes 200 in order to create this mass of 0.157 kilograms. And that equals 0.785 grams. Now, that means that we now have the weight of one $5 note, and the question says they're going to replace the $2 coin with a note that weighs the same amount as the $5 note. So, therefore, one $2 note equals 0.785 grams. But in order to make $1,000, you need 500 lots of $2. So, therefore, 500 $2 notes is 0.785 times 500, and that equals 392.5 grams. And they're asking us for the answer correct to the nearest gram, so it's going to be 393 grams to the nearest gram.